In this video, I will show you how Warmly can help you convert more website visitors and increase website lead conversion in 2024. For your convenience, the links to Warmly are in the description below, so you can try it out. Warmly is a powerful tool designed to help businesses convert more website visitors into leads. It uses advanced AI technology to analyze visitor behavior and provide personalized recommendations to increase engagement and conversions. Let's take a look at some of the key features of Warmly. Visitor tracking. Warmly tracks visitor behavior on your website, including pages visited, time spent, and actions taken. Personalized recommendations. Based on visitor behavior, Warmly provides personalized recommendations to engage visitors and encourage them to take action. Lead scoring. Warmly assigns lead scores to visitors based on their engagement level, helping you prioritize leads and focus on high-value prospects. Integration. Warmly integrates seamlessly with popular CRM and marketing automation platforms, allowing you to easily manage leads and track conversions. Warmly helps convert more website visitors by providing personalized recommendations that resonate with visitors' interests and needs, engaging visitors at the right time with relevant content and offers, prioritizing leads based on their engagement level, ensuring you focus on those most likely to convert, integrating with your existing tools to streamline lead management and conversion tracking. In terms of pricing, Warmly provide free plan with $0 per month. In conclusion, Warmly is a valuable tool for businesses looking to convert more website visitors and increase website lead conversion in 2024. Its advanced AI technology and personalized approach can help you engage visitors effectively and convert them into customers. Click the link in the description to try Warmly for free.